What is going on, you guys? My name is Josh, and this is my beautiful wife,
Hairytornado.
and today we are back at the Saturday Flea Market here in Columbia, South Carolina.
Wagon.
We got the wagon today. I did not forget it. However, I did forget my wallet and my phone, so we had to turn around and go back. But we're here now. The sun is just barely rising. See if we can make some money. If you guys haven't seen our channel before, we come out to flea markets and we go to garage sales and thrift stores trying to buy stuff super cheap that we can then flip online for a profit. We've come out to this flea market here pretty often, and we generally have some pretty good luck. It looks kind of crowded today. We'll see.
Hopefully we can get through here with the
See what we can find. But go ahead and hit that like button and we'll get into it. Good morning, sir.
Hey, that's my customer there. How you doing, sir?
Doing fine, sir. Yeah.
I'm looking for something I can sell and make some money.
We all on.
You come to the right place.
Where's the less?
Inside.
How much?
15.
Oh, okay.
1, 2, some PF flyers.
I did that.
You doing all right today?
Yeah, I'm blessed.
Absolutely.
I want
Jill Noosa. So 10 each?
Yeah, 10 is a good deal.
All right, I'll get the Asics, the Adidas, and the Nikes then.
Big bag.
Nope, brought the wagon today. We are.
You came prepared.
That's right. That's right.
Man, myth, the legend right here.
Hey, what's up, man?
How you doing? I'm Jared.
Yeah,
Nice to meet you.
you're the guy that messaged me and asked me what time to come out. He messaged me on Instagram yesterday. He said, "What time should I get out to the flea market?" And I said, "About 10." Yeah, man. You too. Absolutely. Hope you find some good stuff. All right, we gotta hurry up and get in front of them.
Appreciate you, man.
Absolutely. Appreciate you. Every weekend. It's a big Santa. Good. How are you? Is this your table? Or is this Zoe? Okay. Where'd he go? Oh, what's up, man? That's a big Santa. You got that at the bins? That's crazy. What you got on the camera up here? $2? I'll give you $2 for that. We got a wagon today. You're good. Appreciate you. See ya, Miss Zoe's mom.
Yeah, have a good day.
You too. Hey, what's up, man? Got the body camera IKEA bag. That's a reseller if I've ever seen one in my life.
We met already one time, remember?
Oh yeah.
David, you gave me a shout out on your channel.
That's right. Are you the guy that knew Drew?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Cool.
Oh no, this is the guy I was talking about. He's like,
Yeah.
you're not.
He's like, there's another guy here with the
Then I
camera.
overheard you say when you're walking, like, I'm uncomfortable when people kind of recognize me. I heard you mention.
I'm not uncomfortable. It's just
Well,
yeah.
you're not uncomfortable. That should
When
be
I
like,
buy a lot of stuff from people, some people just get turned off.
But
Like,
$8 if you want. All right. Yeah.
Those are the same ones we passed on the other day.
I know. Yeah. I got
kinda
a nice
dirty.
Batmobile for $20. That's a $50 piece. Almost.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
I got a bag. Oh.
He's a reseller too. Look out.
I did.
I'm just trying to sabotage you guys today. You got the Christmas fish. I don't see these very often.
$1 a piece.
Do you know if they work? A bit of rust in there. That one looks pretty good. I'll just do this Christmas one here. You said $1?
Yeah.
All right. There you go. Thank you, sir. No, throw it in the wagon here. I didn't have the camera on just now, but we got a couple hats. We got this Hydra Sports, 2 of the Hydra Sports hats. This, I don't know if it's vintage, but wrestling hat, W Authentic something World Wrestling, and this really cool Batman hat with this big patch on it. It doesn't have, the only year is DC Comics 1964, but I don't think this hat is from 1964. But definitely cool for $3. These would be good to try out that anti-yellowing stuff I got. How much are these? 3? Yeah, I'll give you 3 for those. That's fair. 3. There you go. Thank you.
Thank you.
Walking over here to the shoe lady. See what kind of shoes we're working with today. See, these are the cool ones. Those are awesome. How much are these?
55.
55?
I could the tag.
Oh, they were new? Wow. Some Jordans. These are 10s. How much are these?
45.
45 and 55. I'll do these 100 for both, 55 and 45.
But I don't know what is it.
You don't know where the other one is? That's a lot of shoes. Yeah, that one.
Oh, we can find right now, but you can come back later.
Okay.
And you will find it.
That's fine. I'll just do these for now. You said 45? How about 44? Is that okay? Okay. Thank you. We'll come back. So I took a chance on these shoes right here for $44, and later on in today's video I'm actually going to use an app called Check to see if these are truly authentic, because if they are, this could be a huge freaking score. What price?
Or they're $9.40.
How much are these? 30? And these? 25? Oh, that's why. These have like ink or something on the soles. Yeah, I'll just get those for 30.
We get these. We were back.
Yeah.
20. I was just wondering what this was. Do you know what that is? Nice.
Kyle Walker. It's probably like a skateboarder or something. These are probably worth 20. Yeah, I'll give you 20 on this.
We'll get these. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Keep it up. Yep. So we left that last flea market. It was really a heavy shoe day. I mean, you guys saw we got a ton of shoes. We did get the Christmas big mouth Billy Bass. Needs a little bit of cleaning, but the battery compartment looks nice. Those hats should do pretty well. After we left that flea market, we went to one garage sale and didn't really find a ton of stuff. Everything was kind of cheap, so we got this Shark professional iron for $1, and this full like padded laptop case for $1 as well. This should sell for around 20-25 bucks plus shipping, and maybe about the same for that. But we came to another flea market here. We're gonna get out here and see what we can find. Haley, are you excited?
Oh, yeah.
There's Echo boots. Never seen Echo boots before. How much are these?
$25. It's free also.
Could you do 20?
We don't try to get outrageous.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, sir. It's an old hat. Foam's kind of eat up on the inside.
One of each, but I started back in 93.
Made in the USA. How much is the hat with the $3? Yeah. I got a mannequin head. I'll just put it on that and use it as decoration. I think it's a little wore out to use as a hat. There you go. Thanks, sir. Look at this. Don't mess with Texas. A Texas vest. That is cool. We should get this for your mom.
Yeah.
How much for your Texas vest? I'll give you 20 for it.
Where's your buddy?
Yeah, that's cool. This is definitely your mom's Christmas gift. One of them. That's hilarious.
This is cool. There's no brand on it, but it's Mickey.
Oh yeah, that is cool.
I think it's reversible.
Yeah. So the brand should be in the pocket.
How are you doing, man?
Anytime something is reversible, the tags are always in one of the pockets somewhere.
I don't know.
Nothing in there.
Patagonia vest, over $100.
How much is that? 40. That's not bad. Do you know what brand this Mickey jacket is? Usually
It's reversible.
Yeah.
You can, I don't know.
It's probably like Walt Disney
I've
or
had it a
something.
while. I think $10 on it. I'm interested in it. Probably is Disney.
Yeah.
I didn't even see the size though.
Could you do 40 for the Patagonia and the Mickey together?
How about 45?
All right, I'll do 45. That's fair. Brand new Patagonia is good. Oh, here. That's another. That's cool. 15. Thank you, sir.
That's super cool.
Yeah. I'll get it. I'm sure the tag. It's got to be branded somewhere.
I just had that too. Hey!
Hello. How are you?
How y'all doing?
Good.
California.
It was great.
It was great.
Enjoy the trip?
I
That's
did.
the main thing.
Yeah. It was awesome.
But you guys are smart. Wherever you go, you try to help pay for it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We
business
tried that
expense.
one.
How much are your boots here?
So, did we buy them wholesale or retail? Do you remember?
Really, I really don't know.
I know the listing really high.
Yeah,
Do you have about $12? We'll do 12.
12 bucks. I'll give you 20. 20's fair. Yeah. I mean, those are probably $100 boots.
I'm
So
gonna give you
20's
change. I'm
no,
gonna give you
absolutely
change.
not. Keep it.
Jason.
Just give me
Is it Jason or
Josh.
Josh?
Josh.
Yeah, she's always getting mad at me because I forget.
No, it's fine.
Well, nothing named Jason, so I always want to call him about Jason. Do you ever do anything with Alan Edmonds? I used to sell to those.
Oh, those Allen Edmonds?
These are Alan Edmonds.
Yeah.
And there might be some more around here because the shop closed down on me.
Yeah. All right, so I'll get the Allen Edmonds and these 2 VHS tapes.
Okay.
So what you got on those?
You tell me what you want to pay, where you can make money. I'm easy to deal with.
You don't like the boat?
How about 15?
They already got the.
15 for everything?
That's too much.
No, that's good. That's fair.
I want you to come back.
That's fair. If these are sealed, I gotta do some more research to see if these are actually sealed. But that should do it. Nope, don't want it. Nope. All right, we gotta get out of here. See y'all. Hey, later. Run. What is the Disney thing right there? Winnie the Pooh?
Yeah.
Is that like a music box or something?
No, it's a Christmas type thing. It's got the light that plugs in it and the
Oh, yeah.
lights up and all that.
That's cool. How much is that?
It's $5.
Yeah, we'll take a look at it.
You need one of these.
What is it? Oh, the Duck Dynasty.
You're trying to sit down and improve the looks.
That's right. Yeah, that's cool. Needs a little bit of cleaning up. I'll give you $5 for it.
All right.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
This Air Max right here. How much are your shoes?
I'm making 17.
17?
I do 15 for it.
I'll give you 15 for these. Thank you, sir. Appreciate you watching. Driver Club. I feel like I've heard of these. Driver Club? USA, handcrafted in Brazil. How much you got on these? $1? Take 50 cents? I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna haggle you on a dollar.
Lord, wait a minute here. You and him need to be together.
That's right. We'll just throw it in the wagon. All right. Thank you, sir. Appreciate the deal. So at one of the last booths where I picked up this pair of shoes, I've never heard of this brand before. I'm like, I'll take a chance on it for $1. And before I even paid the guy, Haley was like, she came up behind me and whispered, she's like, those are not good.
Wow, they're terrible.
Apparently even...
Like all the soles from the last couple months are like on one bid, but like new, like $10 plus shipping.
I've never seen new
$10
shoes.
plus shipping.
Wow. These are probably the worst shoes I've ever bought.
Yeah.
But they look so good. I mean... Like what? Why?
Know.
And these are like almost brand new. Oh well, paid $1 for them, and I threw this in. This was actually, I figured he'd throw this in for another $1, but he charged me $2 for this. So I don't know what that's worth. But all in all, this flea market was pretty good. Much better than the last yard sale we went to. The tag was in the pocket, so it's Walt Disney World.
Walt Disney.
Size large. Yeah, that's nice. Reversible Mickey jacket.
Windbreaker and fleece.
Yeah. I don't know exactly what this is worth, but I think we could at least get like $30 for it plus shipping. It's in really great shape.
Very cool.
Nothing wrong with it at all. Not a bad haul. I have no idea how much money we spent. I'll put it on the screen here.
So $238 spent between 2 flea markets and 1 garage sale was a super solid Saturday morning. But remember, we spent $44 taking a chance on that pair of Jordans that I'm not sure if they are authentic or not. So let's use the app called Check and see if we can get these things authenticated. So I'm not trying to give you guys a full review of this app, but again, it's called Check. You can download it on iPhone or Android. And essentially, you just upload pictures of the shoes you want to have authenticated. You pay like $3, and within 30 minutes, they come back and tell you whether or not your shoes are real or fake. So So before you check your first pair of shoes, you will have to add some credits to your account, which is just money. So you just hook up your debit or credit card or PayPal or whatever you want and add credits to your account. Again, for the 30-minute check, it costs $3 or 3 credits. But if you guys use this code on the screen right here, or I'll also have it linked in the description down below, you can get a free credit to use, and I would also get a free credit. So if you want to try out the app, no reason not to use my code. Check it out. So once you have credits on your account and you want to check your first pair of shoes, you just go and pick the brand and model. So for these, I picked Air Jordan and then Jordan 13s because that's what these were. And then it'll ask you to upload certain pictures of the shoes so they can verify them. Here's a list of the pictures that they asked me to submit. Obviously, they want a picture of the whole shoe, like from the side profile. They want a picture of the tag and the insole stitching and, you know, just basic aspects of the shoes that they would have to look at to authenticate them. So I'm going to put this on the screen here so you guys can see, but I submitted my request for authentication at 12:42 p.m. And again, it was supposed to take 30 minutes to have these come back, but literally 2 minutes later, I got the notification at 12:44 that my check was complete, and the result was that my Air Jordan 13s passed and are authentic. So now let's take a look at how much these babies are actually worth. So there are a few different factors coming into play with these shoes, which I think will help us eventually get top dollar for them down the road. So number one is going to be the size. Our pair is a men's size 10, which just so happens to be the most common shoe size in the world. So no, they're not going to fit everybody, but they'll fit most people, statistically speaking, so we shouldn't be too limited in our customer base for this pair of shoes. Number two is going to be our competition's photos. So right now on eBay, there are 11 of these pairs of shoes listed in a men's size 10, anywhere from $145 plus shipping all the way up to $303 in used condition. So the price looks good. It's kind of all over the place, but our competition's photos isn't that great. I mean, you got a pair listed with a bunch of junk in the background, and one has too much light, one has not enough light, and it's just, none of the pictures are very professional. So I think if we can jump on this listing and have some really high quality pictures that are well lit with a distraction-free background, I think we can stand out among our competition and be the first to get the sale if somebody with a men's size 10 is looking for this particular shoe. Another cool thing is that anytime you sell a pair of used athletic shoes on eBay for more than $150, eBay has an authenticity guarantee, which basically means when the customer buys them, they ship from you and they go to an authenticator, which authenticates the shoes and then sends them to the customer as long as they are authentic. So we will have the check authentication that I will add like a screenshot to the listing, and it'll have the eBay authenticity guarantee. So it'll be like almost double guaranteed to be authentic, which it doesn't get much more authentic than that. So I think that'll be a huge boost for us in terms of getting the quick sale. And I think the final blow to our competition is going to be the condition that our pair is in. These things are in near mint condition. If they had the original box, I would probably be tempted to list them as new other. I mean, there's just minimal signs of wear with these. So I think given the condition, given the double authenticity guarantee from both eBay and check, and the fact that we're going to have some really high quality professional photos of these shoes, I'm pretty confident that if we list these for like $200 free shipping, we'll be able to lock in that sale pretty quickly. And if you sell athletic shoes on eBay for over $100, there's no eBay fees. So that $200 is going to be all profit minus like 10 or 12 bucks for shipping. So I think for a $47 investment, $44 for the shoes and $3 for the authentication, that's going to be a really nice return on investment faux show. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Again, check out the Check app if you have any shoes you want to get authenticated. Use my code down below for 1 free credit if you guys are interested in that. I don't know why I put it off for so long. All you guys in the comments have been telling me about this app for months now, and I finally downloaded it, and it is a freaking game changer. So check it out down below. Hit that like button if you enjoyed today's video at all, and if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below as well. Thank you guys again for watching. You're the best, and we'll catch you on the next one.